What up, Tube? It's DJ live at the Borgata in Atlantic City. BetMGM right behind me. You have to take advantage of this sports bet thing. If you've never done the sports bet online for BetMGM, follow the link below. You put $10 bet in, they will give you $200 and bets are free. And I promise you it's legit. It's not a timeshare. I've done it, my wife's done it, my friend just did it. What happens is that you end up getting four $50 bets, and you just put your parlay in straight up, whatever you want, and you can hit them. And I'm gonna turn it over to my man over here, and he's gonna tell you how everything works. Explain to him there's no timeshare, nothing like that. Basically, what do they need to do for you?
Got to be a brand new user. If you're in New Jersey, it's a regulated market. Once you're a brand new user, we set you up, give you the promo code. I can't say the promo code.
Right.
Because then I will give away the secret sauce.
Exactly.
But once you sign up for the first time, you could deposit whatever you want, but it's all about the initial bet.
Yeah.
You could do spreads, over and under, player props, futures, anything you want. Multiple legs, parlays. Once you make that initial $10 bet, as soon as you make that $10 bet, you get four $50 bets, free bets.
And trust me, they're worth it, guys. I did it, and I actually won off of their bets. And also, you can sign up for the Borgata Casino online, right?
Yeah, so we got a Borgata Casino online. It's a separate app. It's a separate entity. You play blackjack, Russian roulette, poker, all the table games that you want to play. All you have to do is deposit 50, and you get 100 in free play.
That's really good. And there's no timeshare, nothing like that. It's just it's a way to get you to the app.
As soon as you put the deposit, that's when you get the initial 100 in free play.
Like I said, I've done it. My friend just did it. We use the 200 one, so I really recommend when you come in from an Uber, Facebook, they're going to be sitting there like that. And check out my man here. Shout out. Check out, what's your podcast, by the way?
Oh, No Reservations.
No Reservations.
If you just put in No Reservations Brazil.
No Reservations Brazil. Check out my man's YouTube page, and make sure you stop here at MGM in New Jersey at Borgata and take advantage of this. It's totally legit. I promise you. I even won off of it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.